Now, the HP2 BMW is one of the rarest collector bikes, and Vlad has a great example. I've done an awful lot of work on the restoration, and a lot of it is out on the channel. But today we're going to go for a group ride and see it up close and personal in real life. You can join us and watch this in 4K. Adjust your device accordingly. Well, today we have a group ride planned. We had several people bail out. Several people say they're going to show up. But the real bottom line is, by 8 o'clock in the morning, we're going to see who shows up. And it's always unpredictable, and we always love waiting to see who wants to sleep in the morning and who wants to ride. Now, as I'm getting the bikes ready and doing the farm work, watering the flowers, feeding the fish, all the things you have to do when you have a small farm, Karen's got a little surprise for any of the guys that show up early. Now, for breakfast this morning, Karen made fresh scones for the boys. He made it, he made it. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. He made it. He knows there's fresh scones. That's funny. Uh-oh, there goes the neighbor's car. Look at this, this is how the day starts. The Motley crew.
Motley scones.
Motley scones. Coffee, fresh coffee. And who's missing here? Where did Mike go today? I wanted to go to the Catskills.
No.
Mike went for a long ride to the Catskills.
I know one is Vlad.
You're late.
I'm not late.
You're late. The scones are already out of the oven.
I'm early.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. Look at that, baby. Hey, what's up? All back, new rim. What'd you get, another rim?
No, the front tire.
Front tire, okay.
Final, 3 months.
Oh my God.
612, and I just got it 2 days ago.
Wow, looks good. Well, I ain't seen it in a while. Wow, looks good. There's fresh scones up there, coffee. Hey, we treat you like royalty, you know?
You better.
You better. We found a new place to have lunch, but they're so crowded you can't even go there. They just opened. Italian deli. Not motorcycle friendly. You gotta wait an hour to get a cup of coffee. All right, hey, you ready? You got this coffee up there, there's scones. What's up, my friend?
Good, thank you.
Look at that Ducati, oh my God. Oh my God, beautiful.
Just anything.
Wow.
Right, the top stuff.
I like that color. Wow, that is nice.
I got here early. I didn't expect to do that early.
You know, there's no cars on the road that when you're riding a motorcycle.
That's why we ride early in the morning, young man.
No
cops,
on
no
the road.
nothing.
It's good.
No, nothing. It's human. No, by 10 o'clock, the apple pickers will be out. Where we're going, they'll be out.
Oh, okay.
Check this out. Nice, right?
You doing?
What's up, guys?
Hey, Mr. Media. What's up, bud? How you doing?
How are you?
All right. That is wild.
Listen, he had a lot of adventures with this bike. They're all on video too.
What? It came like this? The way you see it?
Yeah. No, this is usually they come with a little different car. This is the only one in the country like this. Whoever owned it before actually did this kit, or maybe bought this kit from BMW. You can't get it. Looks like an original. You can't get it from them anymore. I tried. But I'm gonna get somebody. I have spare panels, and I'm gonna paint it to match. Each panel, 4,000. This is like 45, 4,000, $3,500. It's all carbon fiber.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing.
And it's real carbon fiber.
It's real carbon fiber.
Guess who did these? Now, I had a guy.
We don't know the guy.
I don't know. He looks a lot like me though. I had a guy with a BMW ask me. He wants me to ask you how those covers hold up. If the paint held up. I don't know if he's...
It held up, okay. The only reason I asked Wendy, I had a scratch. I messed up in my own garage.
Yeah, but they came out nice. Come on.
But they come out pretty good.
I got the video to prove
my
it too.
friend Andy has the same bike. I helped him to get it. But he has left.
Andy's got the same one?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. We went
That's
to
a
PA
beauty.
to get it. I got a good price for him. There was... Well, look at his
In Russian rubles or what?
Yeah, Russian rubles, of course.
What was that, my rabbit? That's
Yeah.
my pet rabbit. He runs around there.
Pet rabbit?
Yeah, no, there's 4 of them. A mama and 3 babies.
It's not pet rabbit.
This piece on the back, what a picture
Yeah,
was
this
to
piece
do
I,
this
I
piece.
bought 2. I mean, I
Oh,
bought
man.
spare pieces like you can't find them. Well, I like the rear plate holder. Is
This piece here was a
it's
lot
like
of work.
$1,500. I bought it
Whoa.
for $200.
Whoa.
169. Why?
Look
it
at-
it has a small scratch. I said, Wendy, you gotta.
You guys don't have no scratch now.
This
Look,
is
look at the
unreal.
quality of that carbon fiber work.
This is the original, but I got the spare one.
You better stay friends with me.
I
You
know.
better buy scones for everybody
This you
today.
can't get no more because this was from
can't buy it?
Ilmberger. So
Oh,
Ilmberger doesn't
God.
make it anymore.
Oh, that looks nice though. That looks good.
Yeah, because they don't come with that.
How come nobody's looking at the poor Ducati? Look at this. I love that. Najat loves those Ducatis.
So
Boy,
I put like
beautiful.
This.
Beautiful.
And I put white levers.
Wow, look at that shock in the front. Holy.
Yeah, it's
Right.
always all around. Like they used. This is the BMW before the S1000. This is how they got into sports bikes.
Ah, okay.
And they actually lost money on every one of these bikes.
HR2.
The HP2.
HP2.
It used to be like this one was 25.5, and then when the one with ABS was 26.
You know what? Henry Hawk needs one of these.
So
This is a
It's cool.
Henry
You got
Hawk.
the forks,
Yep.
and then you also have
Well-
a spring.
it's on the GS. It's the same setup.
And what year is this?
08, 2008.
My God.
It's old, but I don't mind.
Old is good if you're still alive.
No, it doesn't look old.
I
though,
know.
man. I mean, it's.
Well, let me tell you, how many hours do you think I put into this bike? Take a guess. huh?
Not too many.
A lot of. Yeah.
You
You're
just
in
did
Brooklyn
you
drinking
did the
vodka
cover- you
while
did
I'm
the-
doing
you did
this,
the
right?
covers and 2,000 bikes worldwide, maybe 200 in US, and the sport. I think
So
there's
once we have
3
some
in
scones and some
Canada.
coffee, we're going to head out on the open road.
But the
Hopefully
one-
have a good
the
ride
true
today.
This one is
And
white, and I like carbon fiber because
we'll have a nice 5-bike ride today.
It's painted, but you still see it.
yeah, I saw the those. You can't even find it.
And the Jot's Multistrada.
You can't find it. Like I said, I have a spare. This is fixable, but once I get this thing painted, I can take this off. And I have 2 mishaps with this bike. The first one was like when I bought it.
And guys, beautiful Aprilia. Better than new.
I'm riding.
Oh, what a day this is going to be. Ooh, early in the morning. Early in the morning.
I hold up, I slow down, and I feel
All right, everybody's suited up. We're ready to go. They've all been sconed up and coffeeed up. Now it's a question, can they find their way home? Time to go. The way this turned out, all 5 of the bikes were humming along, and we took basically all the back roads. I think this was the longest ride we ever went to Rockaway Bagel. There was very little traffic on the road, almost none in fact. And the ride, the sound of all 5 of these bikes in harmony, the Ducatis sound great, the BMW, and of course the Kawasaki always screaming his lungs out with the Muzzy muffler. Oh, so we finally arrive at world famous Rockaway Bagel. Ay, 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 boy. Except for Vlad running out of gas, I guess it was a good day. You need a bigger gas tank.
I definitely was running out of gas.
2 out of 3 rides, the man runs out of gas. What does that tell you? Unbelievable. But we're going to have a nice bagel here and then ride for some more.
Probably fills it up. You gotta remember, I have to make it to your house first.
Yeah, you ought to live in my garage or something, so
Yeah,
you
exactly.
you could pay me rent.
That's it.
Boy, it is a beautiful day, just a beautiful day. And we have a beautiful spot to hang out at Rockaway Bagel. Flirt with the girls here, they love it too. They're desperate women.
Last week and I forgot to put it back in here.
I
kind of camera?
First action, ace.
Boy, these back roads are empty early in the morning. Empty, empty, empty.
Yeah, and you're much taller than me.
We were watching him parachute and he looks out the back and all of a sudden the bike's on my leg.
No, the kickstand needs.
Any coffee, sir?
Coffee? Make sure you're done early so you can play with the register.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you going to be friendly today or cranky?
No, I'm not friendly today.
Okay.
You're welcome.
I'm not taking my business here
No,
anymore.
no, don't do it.
No big tip, no $20 tip today.
$20, you only live 25 cents.
You got to check in with your daughter. I got to check in with my wife. Who do you have to check in with? You got a wife, a daughter, or
Wife.
both? Oh my
The
God!
metal one.
We're being surrounded by Turks today. The Turkish
Mine has
invasion.
the
Hey,
electric to
bring me
charge.
some Italian. Bring me some Italians. Bring me a couple of something else. Oh, these bagels are so good. Henry, I know you're down there in Louisiana or down south. These bagels are better than what you have down south. This is one of Vlad's really cool, nice carbon fiber helmet.
Yeah, I like that one.
Wendy's X14 with 100,000 miles on it.
Photos?
This one has to be buffed out yet. So at the end of the day, Najat wanted to get some pictures of the bike for his collection, and I didn't realize both Najat and Barack have 360-degree cameras going, so I hope we're going to get some footage of that soon. I don't know if we're going to get some. We got a lot of cool stuff to share in the near future, but keep in mind, if you really want to see some of the parts being restored on that BMW in my shop, you search my channel with the search HP2 BMW and they will come up. And the valve covers did hold up. We had a great day, a day to remember, and Najat got a lot of great pictures. We'll be sharing them in the future. And I have to congratulate Vlad. Having a bike that's a super collector bike like this, there are only a few. The parts are extremely expensive, hard to find, some impossible. I have to really take my hat off to him. He did a great job bringing this back from needing some work and negotiating the price with the guy. It's a long story, but this is one very exotic bike, and there's so many little things on it that you don't even notice until you look at it real close. That front shock happens to be one of them, and just beautiful workmanship. Of course, BMW, very high level quality, and the bike sounds great on a ride. The only trouble is the other bikes were a little bit louder, some of the other bikes, including mine, and they kind of drowned it out. But it is a beautiful sounding bike. I listened to it idle in the parking lot while we were taking pictures, and it's just a group ride like today where you can get everybody together, have breakfast together out on a porch, oogle the bikes for a little while, and talk trash and share stories about how great we all are, and then having a beautiful ride like we did today. Just absolutely perfect weather where we ride, and early in the morning, very low traffic, and then lining up the bikes at the end of the day for a photo shoot. I'm not sure life gets a lot better. So I really hope you did enjoy the video, and check out my channel for HP2, more videos. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you did, and thank you so much for watching.